Okay, so I got my paper pumpkin in. I was going to do this live, but my camera holder stand, everything's not working. And so I'm just going to do it this way. And I am going to show you the paper pumpkin because it just came in. So let me open this up real quick. Okay. Come on. Gotta get my fingers underneath there. All right. So every paper pumpkin comes with everything you need to create it inside of here. The one thing that every pumpkin does not come with is a block. And I don't have an actual block with me, but this is one of our Stampin' Up! Blocks. But the paper pumpkin blocks are really thin and they're kind of like a square. And you get that with your first order only. They don't send that with everyone. So that's the only thing that you will have to have of your own. Every kit will come with a ink spot. This one is Mango Melody. So if you don't want to use your ink spot and you have the large one, whoops, that's crushed curry, sorry. Hey now. Oh, here it is. Then you can use your large one and not use your little one. But the little ones are nice for travel. Okay, every kit will come with a stamp set. And this one comes with a sun and a little frog and some flowers and a couple sayings. You brighten my day, friends. Let's see, friends in any kind of weather. And wishing you sunshine and smiles. So, okay, then this one has a coordinating add-on that you can get, and that's the Rain or Sunshine collection out of the mini catalog. And I should have had this pulled up, so I'm sorry I didn't. But it's a really cute one. Let's see. Of course, I'm not going to, oh, there it is. Yeah, it's this suite right here. And the whole suite is $82.25. And that gets you the embossing folder that looks like rain. It gets you these little flowers. And then the dies that coordinate with the stamp set. Playing in the rain. It says, oh, happy days. Rainy days are better with you. And then shown at 100%. So yeah, that's that. And then of course you'll get the designer series paper that comes along with it. And I'm at the house now, so I do not have the stamp set with me. It is at the office. So yeah. And then next one. Now this one is going on right now. 10 years of growth. That is what the paper pumpkin will be. If you order now, you'll get it next month. It just says 10 years of growth paper pumpkin kit, elegant colors, special die cut so you can build a card that all your recipients will love. To keep the party going, we're including a free gift in the March paper pumpkin for all subscribers. So yeah, definitely you can do this now all the way up till March 10th. You can place an order. Paper pumpkin $25.95. I'm sorry, I should know that, but I don't. I will put my link down below so that you can get to it quickly. Okay, so let's just kind of go through this. And then on and off, I will be posting some alternates for the paper pumpkin kit. So, everything you need. Oh, look at these. Oh, those are so cute. Little gems. Plus, it gives you the Stampin' Dimensionals, and then it gives you the dots. If you have Stampin' Up! Product and you want to use your stamp and seal, that would be fine. Or if you wanted to use your large dots, that would be fine too. So I'm going to pull those out because my hands, it hurts to use their stuff. Okay, so then Comes with the envelopes that have a little bit of decoration on them, so I like that. Then it has some dies that are already cut out. And I think these are like the Whimsy dies. I think that's what these are called. But yeah, those are cute. Then it has 4 different colors and 4 different shapes of cards. And I think it has 3 of each. I'm trying to pull all of these up. Sorry, my hands. Oh, my hands are the worst. I hate it. Okay, so these are your 3 colors. Pink. This must be the Mango Melody, and then this one would be maybe, I don't know. Let's see. We're gonna guess here. Maybe like Balmy Blue. That's my guess. I don't know. Then these are these are ephemera. So we have some grass, clouds, flowers, cute. Then we have some sentiment cards. So there's all of that. Then each kit also comes with instructions. Whoa, that's a glare, sorry. Instructions. So this tells us how to put together each of the cards. So let's just do one. Let's do one real quick, and I'll show you how it's done. All right, so let's do the yellow one. So the card has a actual fold in it, right here. Make sure you see everything. It has a fold, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna use my bone folder to get a good crease in it. I don't know if you can see this, but inside it's kind of got like blue, and it's faded out, so that's pretty. Then it says that we need to put a sunshine in the corner. So let's do that, and I'm gonna use my big stuff. Just because I have them, I can. All right, so it wants me to put a sun in the corner, so let's do that first. Okay, so let's put a little bit of sunshine in there, and it wants it kind of coming out of the corner right here. So I think if we go like right here, that may be a good spot. All right, and then if I close this, oh, the sun's coming out. That's perfect. Okay, then it wants me to stamp. My cleaner's not working very good right now, so we're just gonna set that aside. Then it wants me to stamp the cloud, or not the cloud, I'm sorry. It wants me to stamp the kite onto one of the kites. So here's the kite. Hopefully you can see this. There's the kite. And it just wants me to stamp right on there. So my kite looks like this. That's cute. That's really cute. Okay, then it wants me to put this together. Okay, so I'm done with this, and I'm done with this. Then it wants me to put some, it wants a grass. And you will see on here that there are different sizes, whether it wants you to use the dimensionals or whether it wants you to use the little glue dots. It shows. So on our grass line, it is showing to use glue dots. So I'm just going to use, instead of my glue dots, I'm just going to use my Stampin' Seal because I have it here. You can use whatever you want. And then it wants us to put it right here at the bottom like that. Okay. And then it wants us to take the kite. It's going to have one, and it's going to have a sentiment. The sentiment is going to say wishing you were. So let's grab that one out. Wishing you were. Right here. And we will put this one down. Grab another block. And just stamp it right here. Wishing you were sunshine and smiles. Okay, wishing you sunshine and smiles. Oh, that's sweet. You could use that one if somebody were sick or just wanted something happy for them. Okay. And then inside the card is going to be some of these sweet little flowers. Okay, so there's 2 flowers here. One here. And one here. And we're going to have 2 of them. And then we're also going to use this sweet little guy right here. Okay. And then these flowers are going to go here. And then these flowers are going to go on the back of here. All right, so that's pretty easy. So I am going to grab this is my silicone mat, and nothing sticks to it. So I'm just going to run right across that. And then I am going to come down here and kind of bend my paper just a little bit. Then we're going to stick my flowers right in there along that line. Just like that. Okay. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to kind of do the same thing for these flowers. I'm going to just do right here along these lines. And as you can see, there's some left over. I want that there. I'm going to flip this over, and it's going to go right along here, like that. I may have to, okay, that's probably not going to work. I didn't do this right. How am I going to do this? Because I put it on the wrong side. That's why that's not going to work. Holy schmolies. It's okay. That's okay, that's okay, that's okay. We'll just move this like this. There, got that. Okay. So you got your flowers popping up. Probably not the way they're supposed to, but that's all right. You know what? I make mistakes. It's all right. We all make mistakes, right? So then I'm just going to stick this right here, wishing you smiles. Then I am going to pop him up on dimensionals that are inside of here. Right here. Grab my dimensionals, and they said give them 2. So and they want 2 over here on the side like this. So we'll do what they say this time instead of making my own. Okay. And then we'll put him here. So that can open up. That'll be here. And then the kite, they want 1 blue dot up here. And I'm just going to use mine because they're easier. If you don't have them, that's okay. So they want 1 there, and then they want 1 down here on the front of the card. So 1 on the front of the card, so you can stick it to the bunny, and then 1 out. And that is a cute card. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? I love it. So sweet. Okay, that's 1. You're gonna have to wait for more of them. I will be showing 1 of each of the 3 different colors. I will show those online, and then I will be starting to work on my alternates. All right, you have a blessed day.